Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here, and Merry Christmas, this time to WatchDog in Florida on the new RCI-2995DXHP. WatchDog is ready to go, a gift from Pops, and we've got the tune alignment and the tune alignment and the unlock clarifier option done to this one. So it's going to get right to it here. 250 watt slug. It's set 3 watts all the way down, so it's plenty low if you decide to run an amp. 60 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 125 bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello. 250 PEP. Alright, WatchDog, we'll get it out to you, man. Hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.